Hello guys, this is Eric from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. And today is the 2022 August the 2nd. Right, guys, can you hear me right now? All right, let's see. Okay. Right, so yeah, I think now we are looking at this into the 2nd of August. Okay, 20. Right. So let's see now what we are going to what we're going to have here, right? Okay, so yeah, okay, so right now, let's take a look. What is that that we are looking out for? Is something that today. Let me have my MT4, please. Okay. All right. Okay. MT4, right? Guys, just hang on, okay, because I think there's some. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. So I have my MT4 now. All right. Hi, Hubert. All right. Hi, Synopsis. Picho. Nice to see you here. Good afternoon to you. Okay. Right. I hope everything goes well. Okay. Yes. Okay. Good. Now, nice to see all of you here. Okay. Thank you so much. And right now, let's see what do I have here. Adam, Bradley, Trinette, Fab, all right, Sabrina, all right, thank you for coming in. Wow, the usual group. Antonio, nice to see you here. Yen was very strong, 54 pips for me. Well done. That's good, that's good. Did you, I think probably you are trading on the pound yen, I guess, all right, I'm not sure. Okay, so, but I'm glad that once we are in here and, you know, we are already in this profitable start of the day. Okay, fantastic. All right. Okay, so yeah, let's get into this analysis right now. All right. Okay, so right now let's see what do we have. Aussie cat over here, right? Aussie cat. Well, Aussie cat over here. Let's take a look. Now we are actually into the bull. All right, but the thing is that the bull here is actually moving into the state of we are now moving into the state tentatively by looking at this is actually looking for a buy. Okay, however, this buy is actually now the buy is actually going in this into the situation now. There's a retracement, I would say. Okay, there's a retracement over here. So right now, what we are looking at is that for the situation over here, can we sell today? I would say that tentatively it's not good to sell because anyway because we are still in the bull. So right at the moment over here, okay, I will still suggest that no selling because although we have a big drop, okay, because of the news for Aussie just now, all right, about half an hour ago. But then again, is that this is something that I would say that it's not really long term. Okay, it may be just a slip off, right, from the news. So currently, I will still suggest that tentatively it is still not good for selling. Okay, all right. Later part you will see that there will be another just a pullback back into the prevailing bull trend. Okay, so yeah, tentatively I won't be looking for selling for Aussie cat. Okay, all right. So next to go, let's see Aussie franc. Aussie franc. Well, Aussie franc today. Let's look at the day here over here. As we can see, Aussie franc swing down, and now coming back for a selling. Am I right? Okay, we are still in the bear trend. So tentatively, if you are looking at this, are we still in the bear trying to confirm? All right. So right now, it seems like we are actually coming to retest into the bear. So right here, this is the door into the bear. So currently, if this is going to break below, okay, then we will go for a selling. Tentatively, we are still in the bull. So this may be because of the impact of the news. So we are not going to sell right now. All right. Okay, so let's move into Aussie yen. What about Aussie yen? Well, Aussie yen will be different. Aussie yen is in the bear, so definitely this is still good. By looking at this right now, we are actually merely just break through the support over here, and which actually completed our targeted area over here for Aussie yen. Well, okay, I think that's pretty good. Yesterday have been already selling from the resistance, and today it actually breaks through. Okay, continue the selling. Well, I think that's good. Okay, but however, we still need to look out for the support area. Okay, so tentatively, the support is actually pretty low. I would say that over here. All right. So let me take a look. Okay, so over at this point here, okay, we have a support right here. We still have a very good space, about 100 pips to go. All right, so I will say that now we are looking out for the resistance since we are in the trending market. Okay, it should be around this area here. Okay, so that will be good. You can see the blue line and my red dotted line over here. Right. So this is where it actually, even if you're going to retrace, it's going to hit here. Then after that, to retrace. Alternatively, for such a situation, it's already in the selling. So probably it may continue the selling. So I'm looking for things like this. Okay, this is actually, you can see if it retrace up a bit, the pullback, then after that it start to swing down. Okay, so I'm going to look out for the next one. Okay, the next 2 hours. Okay, probably they may have the same thing. Then we'll continue the selling. Okay, so Aussie yen, yes, I'm going to put this into my selling list. Okay, and yep, yeah, selling list. All right, over here. Okay, Aussie yen. All right. Okay, so next to go, Aussie Kiwi. Let's take a look at Aussie Kiwi. Well, Aussie Kiwi right now, I would say that yes, we are actually moving into the bear. Okay, from the bull, we are in the bull, moving into the bear. So will this be a pullback? Well, very likely it can be. Okay, so but then again, is that by looking at current situation over here, we are hitting on this area, okay, this area that it will become a bear. So at the moment, okay, at the moment for Aussie Kiwi, it's seems like it will still continue the selling if it breaks the support area over here, okay, over at this point. So Aussie Kiwi, we are now turning into the bear. However, it may also become a bull today, all right, for sorry, not a bull, a retracement today. Then likely we will need to wait for tomorrow. Okay, so just pay attention to Aussie Kiwi, okay, before we take action. All right, so now how about Aussie dollar? Aussie dollar, all right. Okay, Aussie dollar over here. Hi, Joe. Nice to see you here. Aha, all right. So, yeah, how's the weather over there, your side? I think perhaps you need to take care, okay? All right, get more whiskey to keep yourself warm. Okay, all right. So yeah, Aussie dollar, same thing. We are in the bull, but today because of news impact, okay, we are actually having a down a pullback over here. Right. So currently, I will say that no selling at all. Although it looks like it's going to sell, but I think we only have about 23 pips for this pullback. Okay, to hit on the support, and we may continue the buy. All right. So yeah, just take a look at this, and you only have 23 pips, and it's against the trend. So just take note, okay? Right. So I'm not going to put this into my list. All right, Euro Aussie. How about Euro Aussie? Well, Euro Aussie is supposed to be selling. However, now because of the news, then it actually retracts back. So right now, since it's retracting back, I'm going to look out for a selling. Okay, I'm going to look out for a resistance over at this point here, the resistance here. So tentatively, still need a little bit of time, okay, to reach this resistance level about 60 pips. So probably maybe tomorrow. Okay, so just hang on and I'll wait for it. All right, how about EuroCAD? EuroCAD over here. Well, EuroCAD now tentatively is actually moving upwards. Well, you can see that we have retested the bottom, and now it's actually moving into, looks like it's moving into the bull. Okay, so currently it's now into the bull, so buyer can take note where our sellers have to stay away. Okay. All right, Euro pound over here. Euro pound, we are still on the support. So currently, this support is still there. It's not advisable. So I won't suggest any selling. All right, but for buyer, you can take note. But this is going to be a short term buy against the trend because right now we are still in the bear. All right, so just take note. So currently, I would say that the pullback over here, as you can see, we have a new resistance below here, right? So, yep, let's take a look. Okay, so at this point here, so right here, let's see, we have about 13 pips. So for Euro Pound, you have only 13 pips to reach the resistance and you may have a chance to continue the selling. Okay, so just be patient with that. Euro Pound. Okay, so yep, I'm going to put Euro Pound into my watch list. Okay, so you may have a good chance there. All right, so Euro Yen. Let's take a look at Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen over here, Euro Yen, we are in the selling. So I'm going to look out for a resistance to sell. So as we can see over at this point, it hits on the resistance. It has started to sell down. And where will be the support? Right? Where will be the support over? Let's see. Where's the support? Okay, support is over here, as we can see very clearly. All right. So right now, I will suggest that we are so near to the support. So I will suggest that Euro Yen, we will wait for it to break the support and form a new resistance below. Then we start selling. Okay. All right. So yeah. Then let's see for Euro Kiwi. Euro Kiwi. Well, Euro Kiwi, we are still hovering around this area and we are still in the bull. So tentatively, Euro Kiwi good for buying, not for selling. All right, Euro dollar. Let's take a look at Euro dollar. Well, Euro dollar, I would say that now tentatively I'm going to look out for buy. Okay, the buy is still quite strong. Okay, so as we can see from the support here, as we ever hit this low of the 1:1, remember that? Okay, so about 2 weeks ago, and now it has a higher support, continue a higher support, and continue the buy. So at the moment, buying is still possible. Okay, buying is still possible. However, it seems like euro dollar has actually hit on this area whereby now is the resistance. Will there be a good chance for selling? Well, even there's a good chance for selling. As you can see, we are selling against the trend, right? So this may be something quite challenging for seller. Okay, so yeah, I will stay away for euro dollar first. Okay, yeah. Well, I think it's quite obvious that we are staying away from all the dollar pairs because, as we know from the FOMC nights, Mr. Powell has already hinted us that this because of the 2.5 and GDP, where everything is going slow, so dollar is going a bit weak for this period of time until September. Okay, so tentatively, I will be avoid trading Aussie dollar, Euro dollar, and later we'll take a look at pound dollar. All right. Okay, so Pound Aussie, same thing. Okay, Pound Aussie, I'm going to skip this. All right, so Pound Cat over here, same thing. It's going for a bull right now, so I'm not going to touch this. All right, so buyer, you can take a look. Right, but we are very near to a resistance level, so please take note. Okay. All right. So how about pound franc? Pound franc. Well, pound franc over here. Pound franc is hovering. Yesterday I was talking about it, and today is still there. Okay. So a bit of turbulence here. Okay. So I will prefer to stay away. Just skip this. Okay. We'll just skip this. Okay. Let's take a look at the pound yen. Okay. Let's take a look pound yen. Well, pound yen over here, we are in the bear, so I'm looking out for selling. So by looking at the selling here, I will definitely see that there's a resistance level and no. Okay, so let's see, let's check where is the support area we should be looking out for. Okay, support area will be looking at this level. It's quite good. Yeah, still quite good. Pound yen. So based on our current price, we still have about 89 pips to go. Okay, estimated 89 pips to go. All right, let's put it 80. Okay, let's put it 80. Okay, yeah, so about 80 pips to go. So I think it's still quite good. Okay, selling is still possible. All right. So right now, okay, so pound yen, should we put it into our watch list? Yes, I'm going to put this into my watch list since it's so good today. This week, we are going to really get this. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's move again. And now to pound kiwi. Right. Pound kiwi. Take a look at pound kiwi over here. Well, pound kiwi, tentatively, by looking at this pound kiwi, we are going in the range. Am I right? In the range. So tentatively, it's still testing on the resistance. As we can see, the last resistance over here. All right. So perhaps since it's still there, and I'm not going to touch this. All right. So hang on with that. Pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Well, pound dollar is actually right now still running on the bull. Okay, it's still in the bull. So tentatively, the bull is still running, and right now we are near to the resistance level. Okay, where we can see the resistance level is very clear over here. So pound dollar, are we going to start selling soon? Okay, so tentatively, I will say that not yet. Okay, it's still not there yet. Okay, although it looks like there's a pullback, I would say that there's a pullback over at this point here. So the pullback may reach about 30 over pips, then may go for a higher support. It may be respecting the moving support over here to continue the buying. Okay, so at the moment, right, at the moment over here, I would suggest to stay away for pound dollar. Okay, all right. So dollar CAD. Let's take a look at dollar CAD. Well, dollar CAD today, right now we are still having a retracement after testing on the support yesterday. So currently it's still on the buy side, but on the general reading over here, I will still be looking for a selling. Okay, I'll still be looking for a selling, but it's just that not today. Today is not the day for selling. That's all. Okay. All right. So yeah, I will skip this dollar cat. All right. Okay. So how about dollar franc? Well, dollar franc over here. When dollar franc, as we can see, it hits on the support over here, and today seems like another retracement. So tentatively, I'm not going to touch this. All right. So dollar yen, dollar yen. Well, take a look at dollar yen. We are in the selling, correct? Yes. And since we're in the selling, so let's check. Is there any support area that we should take care of? Like now, we are on the support. Okay, and the resistance is actually here. All right, I can see one resistance over here. All right, so as for dollar yen, I would suggest tentatively we should break the support first. Let's break the support after retesting of this support as a resistance. Then we will continue the selling. All right, close yet so fast yet so near. Haha. Okay, so yep. Just put this aside. No, just put this into my watch list first. Okay. All right. And at this point here, okay. So yeah, I'm going to take this into my list. Bitcoin. How about Bitcoin? Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin yesterday is actually slipping down over to below 23. So currently, okay, the price is actually at this level, below at this point of 22.7, which is the low of right now. Okay, today. So currently, okay, I will be looking at selling first. Okay, selling. I'm still looking out for selling in the Bitcoin so that we can continue to look out for a good price before we can buy. Okay. Yeah. Coming back here for the gold. Okay. Yeah. I'm still be answering your questions here. All right. So right now we are actually on the 1773. 1773. Seems like it's actually now pulling further up a bit. All right. So pulling up further up. So once I see that it's above this 1766. So guys, for right now for gold, the next to go is very highly likely I will see the 1812, 1812 over here. Okay, 1812. So tentatively by looking at this point here, all right, selling is a bit difficult. Okay, unless it come back to break this below, all right, then we will have a good chance. If not, when it come back to retest, like here it retested and then it coming back for a buy. So highly likely the gold tentatively is still looking for a buy today. Okay, all right. Okay, so yep, let's come back here to take a look. What we are going to sum up for the day. Okay, let's see. All right. Okay, so let's see what do we have. All right. We are going to sell Aussie yen, Euro pound, Euro yen, pound yen, and dollar yen. Wow, looks like all the yen again. Okay. Okay, the yen are in control. So yes, since that's the case, okay, we just focus on these 5 currency pairs later in the UK hour to find opportunity to enter for a selling trade. Okay. All right. So yes, guys, that's all for now. Okay, in this session, it's an analysis session. So later on and UK hour, all right, for the first 3 hours, I will be here today. Okay, and to have a live trading together with all of you. Right. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do remember to smash the like button for the effort behind the videos and also to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we will see you in the UK hour. Thank you so much, guys. This is everything from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you later again. See you.